Me tell you, Alkaline done yet nothing to Hurricane, victim of Jamaica. Every time I look on the internet, I see somebody else fabricate a story talk about Alkaline done yet, but him not like show up himself. So if him not like show up himself, why is this on the internet? No go like I don't know, say Alkaline bust off a blood clot. Like, I don't know who.
They're close to Vybz Kartel albums. Why Vybz Kartel is the only artist out of Jamaica that have 2 albums that reach the Grammy Award, that was nominated. So that simple tell me that you don't really rate to the artist them wanna call them name.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Man, so you see be a thing I go on media, so I say you may pull up them 2 CC, you know? Yeah man, cause one bag of madness them a chat. You see it, but you had a brother here say about Alkaline.
Me tell you, Alkaline done yet nothing to Hurricane, victim of Jamaica. Every time I look on the internet, I see somebody else fabricate a story talk about Alkaline done yet, but him not like show up himself. So if him not like show up himself, why is this on the internet? No go like I don't know, say Alkaline bust off a blood clot. Like, I don't know who is fabricating this story, but the more you fabricate it, the more I make a video. Until you come with some proof say Alkaline done yet, me start blood clot make video. But if not, yeah, if me Google Spice, when me Google Spice, they show me what Spice done yet. Me Google Masicka, it show me what Masicka done yet. Me Google Vybz Kartel, it show me what Vybz Kartel done yet. So why when me Google Alkaline is telling me still bamba class searching? Only look at vendetta fans, you don't need to stop it, bro. Why do I give an artist credit for something when you know he's not involved? Bamba clad.
Yo, I tell you them man, yeah, people, be a mental illness on the social media. I tell you, mental illness. Because this year post where the people them post with Alkaline thing, I get him in them feelings. I get him in them feelings, you know, because the artists them are out there. When you can Google, see? Google things and social media, cloud, all of them something there. That them want. Yeah, man. That them want, man. So, through Alkaline afford in the media, and she can't Google it. See, knowing how Alkaline stay already, yeah, that's what them want, you know. Them want something for so them can run with. But let me tell you this, Alkaline don't do things to cloud. Alkaline don't do things to Google pick up. Alkaline just donate and helping the people them. Remember, you know, enough of these people doing things for gain for themselves. For example, look where Spice go up and thing they go do. You know, she gone on CNN. I promote music, I promote album. And when you look, you see the album gone, something on the album charts. You understand? But what she do, she just use the little sad story at the donation and the house so she give, which that alright, good thing she don't donate, you see me, but for using the promotion and thing with the sad situation of the music. So I them thing them want, you understand me? The thing say it was all about helping out the people. I never know say a clout have come with it too. I never know of that. There's so many people helping out people out there where them thing that they on the media and if them Google it, so I don't know, but I just say things setting up people because no matter what you do in a life, people are gonna always have something to say. And I just saw the thing said. So more when them talk, you know, I just Alkaline that. Alkaline ban for hate. For them forward in the music industry, I just one bag of hate. But people, we see Vybz Kartel cheerleader, aka Kevin Spratt. Yeah man, him run out man. I tried this up the artist, them about album, but Kartel have 2 albums when nominate and 1 bag of thing. But yeah, we would have fool yourself. I don't know sense in him, don't know nothing about music and Grammy nominations.
Is that some people in a dancehall will push you up with their mouth. But when you see it comes to you posting a music out there, they are not liking it, they are not commenting, and they are not sharing it. So in order for the music to go somewhere, you have to go and like this music. So if you have an artist where you say, this are my artists, oh, no, I like their music. How is it that in a 2025, some of them artists, your name have been called, running up against Vybz Kartel, but their album is not running nowhere close to Vybz Kartel albums? Why Vybz Kartel is the only artist out of Jamaica that have 2 albums that reach the Grammy Award, that was nominated? So that simple tell me that you not really rate to the artists, them wanna call them name. You just make be nice, empty barrel. Because if you need to make some nice and not make movement, me would understand. Albums like your favorite artist and your favorite artist, albums would have then right next to Vibes Kartel albums. Anytime Vibes Kartel drop an album.
But Kevin, you are talking about album nomination and thing. First of all, you don't know what an artist have to do to get nomination. It's like you don't understand how nomination thing work. So Vibes Kartel have 2 album. Yeah, I think the party next to me. How name Party With Me. The first one when him just forward out. I think him drop the album before him release. Seeing? But Kevin, you know none of the song them on the album? Tell the people them if you don't really know none of the song them on the album. Kevin, sing one of the song on the album. If you ask the people, the recent one we got nominated, what you call it? I think Soul, some Heart of Soul or something like so. Seeing? Tell me, you know nothing on the album, brother? Brother, anybody can get nominated, bro. Once you have the links with the Grammy board and everything, yeah, that can't. Brother, first of all, nobody knows what the music was on Kartel album, even the recent one. Nobody don't know about it. The album, them never sell no number one. Them no reach it. First of all, the last, I must say, people, nobody not even know how much this album sell. Nobody don't know the numbers where the album sell for the first week. Ask the people them what numbers. Not even Billboard, not even put up the numbers how much it sell. The only album where me see them must put up are the Vikings. I think. The Vikings where them drop 10 years after. And I must say about 980. I think must be for the first week or so. Seeing? It sell. Basically, them put up say over less than 2,000. So, I don't know what him attack because bro, everybody knows that the album never Kartel drop, bro. Nobody don't know the song them, bro. Bro, Kartel just submit it and him have him links them or make him get nominated, fam. Seeing? Them just a, if him do win Grammy, it's just a sympathy thing. It's just a prison release, all of them look at thing there, fam. Nobody knows the album, brother. The album nomination thing right now is not about the music what dip on the album, fam. You understand? Who would dip on the Grammy board who will vote. You understand? It have nothing to do with music. Cause first of all, if it did really boil along to the music, Kartel wouldn't on that list. Nobody knows Kartel. First of all, the album not do no numbers. Seeing? The album not do no numbers. So I don't know what you are talking about. You see, no fight time with Uno Gaza man. Uno really know what going on. Seeing? Uno just forward out and try to diss the artist them. And I know say, brother, Uno diss no own herself. Because enough of them album here with the artists them put out, enough people know the album them more than them album here, brother. Kartel just say him just do the album and drop it in a 2 hours time, bam. The lady who him link with her, the distributor, just put it out there and just get the links and just him get him nomination from. Nobody don't know the album them. We don't hear nobody talk about the album them, brother. It not do no numbers. So we know say somebody on the board get the link for him. You see me? But see Tuna Gaza man, I just always want to bring down some artists to make Kartel thing look good. Yeah, we know it things say, but this is what I say people.
We don't talk about this album sell this and this album sell that. We are not showing that it sell nothing when time album is nominated to go to the Grammy Award. So, only they try, but it never reach. So, we want to catch it again. 2025, the only dancehall artist have 2 albums that reach Grammy Award. Is Vibes Kartel? So where is all of the nice? Why the nice was making? If we're not going to support on the artist, we're going to shut up. When Vibes Kartel drop a song, we got to support him.
Kevin, when Vibes Kartel drop a song, we're going to support him. So you're telling me Kartel just leave from prison and he must sell less than 1,000 copy? Because when put it at 2,000, you know, I think away world music views or something. Then put it at 2,000 when a 980 the man sell for the first week. You understand? No, we not see the peer sales them. Come on, bro. We not really see the album, the numbers. The only one of Vikings. Warm to the new one we get nominated recently. I warm to the one where him dropped last year and it nominated. Warm to them two the numbers. We not see no numbers see them there. We not really support. First of all, we not really support Kartel music, brother. To be honest. When last Kartel music even touch iTunes chart? Because of this, so you have to spend money if you touch the US iTunes #1. How many songs since Kartel release go #1 on the iTunes chart? USA. How much song? Brother, you not support Kartel music, bro. You not support Kartel music, fam. You understand? You don't do it. Because if you don't do it, you don't see numbers on top of numbers, bro. You can't tell me, say, the man forward out. Seen? Kartel forward out and drop Vikings people. Seen? And it dropped number 10. Number 10 it dropped with must say 980 copies for first week. 980 copies. You not support, bro. You tell me say man have 3 million and other maybe 4 million and odd followers on Instagram. And all them could have sell less than 1,000 copies, bro. And you are not talk about support. You not support the artist musically, fam. You not support it. Yeah, you not support him shows, but you not support him music the real way. The way you wanna go on, him should not say I want 10K per fee first week, brother. All of them numbers they should not raise, bro. You see, not because your album nominated, brother, mean say a fans are buy it if you put it up there. No, fam. If I did that, Kartel would have never reach on that. Me I tell you that, brother. A links, run Grammy thing. Links. No notice why Bob Marley them people them always there. A links, bro. You understand? So I don't know why you talk that, but me understand saying your feelings, fam.
So if you not support an artist, you shut up. It shows that Vybz Kartel have some people who is not just loyal. We are supportive of everything that Kartel is doing. And you need to do the same with your favorite.
Yo, me I tell you, people. Hey, man. The man say if you do the same thing with your artists and them not support Kartel music. Them not support Kartel music. Kartel should have platinums on top of platinums. Platinums. Him should have Kartel release. Yeah, tell me say. Kartel just a release in prison. And all the number him album could have dropped on number 10 with less than 1,000 copies. Remember, you know, Kartel are the goat, you know. Him have one of the biggest fan base, you know, in the dancehall space. Yeah. Some of the time I wonder, yo, if I really fans this for in music or fans for the hype and the clout. And that I wonder. Because I only this so I see mostly they support the clout. They will come out and defend him, this and that, Gaza, run with everything what him do. But when he fall to the music, for such a huge fan base, and you're telling me he must sell him album less than 1,000 copies, and you know going to talk about support with such a large fan base? Eh? So you're telling me Kartel are sell out these arenas, right? Right now, with 20,000 people, yeah, round them average there. At this time, and you're telling me not even 5,000 people can support the album thing? Right now, Kartel, every album when drop from him release should have go #1 on the Billboard chart. It should have go #1. So when you talk about support, bro, you don't really support Kartel musically, fam. Kartel should have do way more, bro, because him have the influence on the people. Him see him like only he can sing about clocks and go buy clocks, or he can sing about bleaching and cakes up and go do it. But why? When the masses and thousands of people go bleach and thousands of people go buy clocks. So if you say on fans, why you can't, when him drop an album, him can get at least 5,000 people to buy him album? Why it have to be less than 1,000? More than, down a town alone, and more than 1,000 people down a town. See? And him have fans all over the world. It shows, bro, the people them not really about Kartel. They must listen to Kartel music, but for support it, that's not there. You understand? It's just maybe the influence of the song, but not the purchase of the song. So you forward out and do things, bro. Come on, like there's a lot of artists out there where I hit some on the iTunes and them look at something there. Kartel hardly beep on them iTunes chart, yeah, bro. Kartel are really so many songs and prison, and I'm still not supporting them. I'm not support them, brother. Him a drop album from Kartel forward from prison from last year, people. See? Kartel must drop about. Him drop about 4, maybe like about 4 album. Him drop 4. Seeing? And 10 more people. Only one alone we know the numbers for. You see the other rest? It come like Billboard say, yo, We can't know the way how the numbers low, it nobody make no sense you put it out there. See, in Samanja 4 album and none of them not hit in the top 5 in the chart. And you not got talk about come support. Bro, I don't know what kind of fans you be, bro, but I always say, yo, Vice Kartel is a great artist, but him have the wrong set of fans them. That's all me have to say. You understand? But people don't know, yeah man, a media facts man. That is it.